What if the secret to fast, healthy weight loss wasn't a secret at all? What if it was on your plate, every single day, just waiting to be discovered? Today, you're about to unlock the 10 most powerful fat-burning foods backed by real science, foods that speed up metabolism, crush cravings, and transform your body from the inside out. Let's begin. Eggs, the ultimate protein kick. Eggs turn your metabolism into a calorie-burning engine. The moment you eat them, your body works harder to digest the protein, burning more calories naturally. They keep you full for hours, reduce sudden hunger attacks, and help build lean muscle, the kind that melts fat even while resting. Greek yogurt, gut healing fat burner. Thick, creamy, powerful, Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics that fix your gut environment, where weight loss truly begins. A healthy gut reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and tells your brain, "I'm full." No more overeating, no more cravings. Green tea, nature's metabolism booster. Just 1 cup begins a silent transformation. Green tea contains catechins, a natural compound that increases fat oxidation. Your body starts burning stored fat as energy, especially around the belly. It's one of the simplest daily habits for long-lasting weight loss. Oats, slow energy, zero crashes. Oats stabilize your blood sugar like a master controller. No spikes, no crashes, just steady energy that stops the brain from sending "eat something now" signals. Fiber in oats expands in your stomach, keeping you full and focused for hours. Apples, the craving crusher. Crisp, juicy, low-calorie. Apples contain pectin, a special fiber that slows digestion and reduces appetite. They're sweet enough to satisfy cravings, yet light enough to support fat loss. A perfect snack that fights hunger naturally. Salmon, fat that burns fat. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which switch your body from fat-storing mode to fat-burning mode. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and speed up metabolism. Every bite nourishes the body and melts stubborn fat at the same time. Leafy greens, the fat loss powerhouse. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Low in calories, but exploding with nutrients. These greens fill your stomach, cleanse your digestive system, and support calories out over calories in. More food, fewer calories, faster results. Nuts, tiny, but mighty. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Just a handful can quiet hunger for hours. Healthy fats improve brain function, stabilize appetite, and keep emotional eating under control. Small snacks, big impact on weight loss. Beans and lentils, fiber champions. These foods are slow to digest, and that's exactly why they work. They keep your stomach satisfied for long periods and regulate your blood sugar like clockwork. Plus, their plant protein helps build lean muscle, key for burning more fat throughout the day. Berries, sweet fuel, zero guilt. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation, the hidden enemy of weight loss. Despite their sweetness, berries are extremely low in calories. They satisfy the sweet tooth without slowing progress. Fast, healthy weight loss doesn't come from starving. It comes from choosing smarter foods that work with your body, not against it. Eggs, yogurt, green tea, oats, apples, salmon, greens, nuts, lentils, berries. 10 simple foods that can reshape your energy, your health, and your body. Transform your plate, transform your life.